Wow, look all the hell.
Oh no. Lady up there.
Oh, it's raining hard. It's raining hard. Look at it. Isn't it raining hard, bro?
Look at this shit.
Yo. Raining hard.
Look how this shit shake.
Can I feel?
Them shits are throwing this shit down on the sky.
Bro. It's raining hard as hell.
It's yours?
It's raining hard as hell. There's hell coming down. Can I feel one? Can I feel one?
Beyond Flash Flood.
Wow. So. Yo. Bro, that tree was going crazy earlier. That tree right there. That tree right there was going crazy.
Return to sender.
Whoa, it's going crazy. Well, stop hell.
There was really too much ice.
Yeah, there was ice coming down.
But I never realized that.
Can I feel what else?
Please, I don't need that right now.
Whoa.
Whoa, this is a big yacht.
What?
What? Look at my, show my big forehead.
No.
Show my big forehead.
No.
I got a big.
Well, stop raining hard. But it was just going crazy.
Like this.
I'm gonna end the video here. Adios, amigos.